Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a quick review of Remove.bg. Now Remove.bg is for simply background removal with the remover.bg, just for removing the background. That BG stands for background. Let's get started. Now if you are looking for a platform that could remove your picture's background, this Remove.bg review will prove helpful to you. The application itself is part of a well-known editing software called Canva. However, I'm going to highlight it that both of them are used separately. That is, Canva is used separately from Remove.bg. Now, what does it do? Now, the Remove.bg application is a web-based service for removing the background of any picture. Any picture background, it removes it. The good part is that the platform is fully AI powered, which means that it will do everything for you automatically. And you will not need to worry about manually selecting background and foreground layers to separate them. It does it automatically. Then the next thing we're going to look at is it also, well, compared to other high quality platforms like Descript or Syntaxia, the Remove.bg software uses sophisticated AI technology too. So naturally, the purpose of using artificial intelligence is different for each of the mentioned applications. For instance, Syntaxia uses it to create hyper-realistic avatars. This script, on the other hand, lets users edit their videos, whereas Remove.bg utilizes it to detect the foreground layers and separate them from the background. Now, Remove.bg is an AI-powered tool that excels in quick and accurate background removal from images. It's very good. It's ideal for photographers, marketers, and e-commerce businesses needing bulk processing. It offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the task without overwhelming you with extra features. While it lacks extensive editing tools, it integrates seamlessly with platforms like Photoshop and provides high-quality results. Now let's look at the pros and the cons. Let's start with the pros. Number one, it has high quality results. It definitely gives you high quality results. User-friendly interface. It has great security. It integrates with various applications like Photoshop, and it has a wide array of use cases. But now let's look at the cons. Let's look at the cons. Number one, it has limited editing tools. Yes, limited editing tools. And it doesn't support videos, so it's just pictures. You can only remove and change the backgrounds of pictures. So it's as simple as that. Earlier I mentioned it has a wide array of uses, so let me explain what I meant by that. It is, for example, if you're a photographer who needs to edit thousands of photos in just a matter of seconds, this platform will make a great partner for you. And also, anyone who has tried manually removing a background for a picture will know that it is time consuming, especially if there are many details. Now, imagine that you did a photo shoot. Most likely, there are quite a few pictures that might require their background to be removed. This is where the platform becomes especially useful. In user Remove.bg reviews, some people say that automating the process with the application resulted in them cutting their processing time by more than 60%. To give you an example, if we used to take 30 seconds to remove a background, the platform will do it in about 10 seconds. Furthermore, the Remove.bg application can be a good addition to marketers. The platform can edit out the background of an advertisement. In addition, if you have a big badge that needs to be edited, the software reviews it and automatically removes the unnecessary layers. So you see, it's really good. So there are many things you can get from it. But it can also be applied to e-commerce, where you have high quality product images that are important enough for you to make sales. Then, but also you can maybe have issues like blemishes. You can use this for it. If you also harmonize images across your entire store, it's advisable to remove any distractions. You can use it so it will help you to improve customers' trust. If you also plan to sell your product on sites like Amazon or eBay, you should know that it also requires those kind of platforms require pure white backgrounds, while some require solid white or light gray. So it is better to note that Remove.bg directly integrates with e-commerce systems including Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce. So you see, if you're looking for software to edit your media pictures, the platform can also be a solution to this fast-paced world of the industry. So You might wonder if it's a Remove.bg video background remover, but fortunately there isn't. It only supports images and cannot do the same to footage. So hope you found this video helpful. If you actually need for footage, you can just try Canva. Canva uses what they call on screen, UNSCREN. It's an application, so you can use that to remove the video background on Canva. So that's it.